I just woke up on Saturday morning. It's early. My window's a mess. But look outside. It's so freaky. Like, this is even how it looks outside, though. This isn't even from my window. It's just so, like, dark and weird. I don't know how to even explain it. Like, you can't even see, like, very far down in the distance. But the roads aren't even wiped off at all. There's just like nobody. It's so freaky. Hi everybody.
Hi there.
Hi there.
No, I'll take my hands off the road.
I know, you're concentrating. I get way too nervous on the interstate. But it is Sunday. We are going out to do something because we have been stuck in the house all week. Our weather has been completely insane because we had 2 days of the negative temperatures. Then we had a day of like 5 or 6 inches of snow. Now it's all melted, but everything's wet. But it's what, like 50 degrees?
46.
Yeah, so weird. But anyway, since it's warmer, we decided to go out. I think we're gonna go to the mall for a little bit, and then we're gonna take Eli to this like jump, World of Bounce, jumpy house area and see what it's like because we've never done that before. So, and we're going to the car wash because my car is disgusting from this crazy weather. But yeah, that's our plan for today. So I will try to get back on here and film a little bit whenever we are doing something more exciting than driving. What you doing? You need some help? No, like this. Push your hand under it, put it under it. There you go. That's enough. Oh wait, hopefully I'm not catching the glare from the windows because they're open, but I wanted to get on here really quick and film a couple things that we got. We haven't went and done a bunch of stuff, but like I got like a couple things from Target, a couple things online, and then a couple things from a kid's store. So I thought I would show it in here just because I don't know, when people go and do things like that, I like to see what they get. So this is what I got. So I don't really decorate for like little holidays. So I do like a ton of Christmas stuff and like fall/Halloween, and then I'll put up like a little bit of stuff for Easter, but like St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, you know, things like that. I don't really put out much, but I did find a lot of stuff in the Target dollar spot. So these were all like $1 to $3, and I thought they were super cute. So I don't have any Valentine's Day towels, so I thought these were really cute. And then they come with the towel and then the pot holder that has like the little hearts, which is so cute. So I got that to put up. I know Valentine's Day is like in what, 11 or 12 days, but I can keep them up for a little while. And then I got this cute banner because I wanted something to put like in our living room, like across our fireplace area. So I thought that would be super cute. And then I got this one. This one is just like strings, but it kind of like hangs down if you can see the picture. I might put this one in the fireplace. I don't know yet. If not, I'll find a different place for this one, but in my next vlog or later in this one, I'll probably show like what I did with this stuff if I get it up later. But, and then I got this for Eli to put on his window because he walked past and was obsessed. But they're like little dinosaurs and alligator, and they're like window clings for Valentine's Day. So I said that I would let him get those. Those were $1. And then I got a couple things online. I've been eyeing these shoes forever, and I had a gift card, so I went for it. And they're definitely not everybody's style, but I like them. So they are these like mule type shoes, slides. I don't know what you call them, mules, I think. But they just kind of slip on, and they're the leopard print, which I love. I've always been like a huge like this print person. I've had it since, you know, for many, many years. So I'm super glad that it's coming back because I'm obsessed. So I'm excited to wear those when it gets a little bit warmer. And then I got these earrings, which they are from an online Etsy shop boutique. And they are so cute. But I wanted to shout out the boutique just because, whoa, sorry. I'm getting too close. I wanted to shout it out just because she sent me these and I thought it was super duper nice, and she's starting her own small business and I love to support small businesses. So it's called Pretty Leather Things Boutique, and I will put it in the description box if you want to check them out. But I got these white earrings. I don't know if you can see. And then there are these cute red ones. But yeah, they're super nice quality. A leathery material. These ones are more soft and these are like actual leather. But she has tons of different kinds and I love them. I think I'm actually going to get on and order a couple more because they're so cute. But yeah, I will put the link to her shop and her Instagram and you can go and look at them for yourself. So yeah, super, super cute. But I also got two more things. So I like never shop at Gymboree just because I think that, sorry, my camera's falling. It's pretty overpriced for kids clothes, to be honest. And I don't spend like a ton of money on kids clothes because I, for one, have two boys and one of them is 3. And like he just gets dirty when he goes outside or whatever, you know, like it's a 3-year-old boy. But they are going out of business, I guess. I didn't know that. So we just stopped in for the heck of it. And we found some stuff for super duper cheap, like very cheap. So I picked up one thing for each. So I got this cute little shirt for the spring and summer for Eli. Just like a pocket tee. He loves that type of shirt. And then for Landon I got just like this cute little one-piece outfit that has the little like lightning bolts on it for him to wear now. So that is it. I'm gonna get off of here because we are getting ready to head back out. We just came home for a little bit because the jump place, World of Bounce, had a wait list. So we left and came home and hung out here for a little bit and we let Landon take a nap because he was getting pretty grouchy. So now we're gonna head back out and do that for a little bit, get our dinner, and then probably watch some of the Super Bowl. So I'll get back on here in a bit.
Tell them what you did today.
So we just got back from the Bounce World. What is it called? World of Bounce?
World of Bounce.
Yeah. Did you have fun, Eli?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite one?
Huh?
What was your favorite?
Basketball.
Oh, the basketball hoop? Yeah, I assume that much.
You like the basketball hoop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now we are gonna watch some of the game, get the kids in bed, and that's it, huh? Yeah. So say see you later. Say see you in our next vlog. Bye.